Hello, I'm Anastasia with Expert Reserve Services, and today we're going to talk about structural integrity reserve studies. Firstly, what is a structural integrity reserve study? A structural integrity reserve study means a study of the reserve funds required for future major repairs and replacement of the common areas based on a visual inspection of the common areas. A structural integrity reserve study is different from your traditional reserve study. The structural integrity reserve study may be performed by any person qualified to perform such a study, but the inspection visually has to be done by an architect or an engineer according to the new statute. At a minimum, a structural integrity reserve study must identify the common areas being visually inspected, state the estimated remaining useful life, and the estimated replacement cost or deferred maintenance expense of the common areas being inspected. Also, provide a recommended annual reserve amount that achieves the estimated replacement cost or deferred maintenance expense of each common area being inspected by the end of the estimated remaining useful life of each common area. What that means in a nutshell is the structural integrity reserve study is a lot like your traditional budgeting reserve study, only it addresses specific structural components that is set out by the state statute. Who will need a structural integrity reserve study? Any association that is 3 stories or higher and has the following items in the study: roof, load-bearing walls, floor, foundation, fireproofing and fire protection systems, plumbing, electrical systems, waterproofing and exterior painting, windows, and any other item related to those structural components that would negatively affect those components if not reserved for and replaced or repaired. Associations existing on or before July 1st, 2022 fall under this new statute that are controlled by the unit owners other than the developer. This reserve study must be performed by December 31st, 2024 for each building in Florida that follows under these guidelines. They are components such as roof, load-bearing walls and other primary structures, floor, foundation, fireproofing and fire protection systems, plumbing, electrical systems, waterproofing and exterior paint, waterproofing and exterior paint, including ceiling, windows, and any other item requiring repair or replacement that exceeds $10,000 and the failure to replace or maintain negatively affects these items. Your structural integrity reserve study will be a completely different product and address completely different components. Also, if an association fails to complete a structural integrity reserve study, such failure is a breach of an officer's or director's fiduciary relationship to the unit owners. This means there are repercussions. The protocol and the process of the structural integrity reserve study would be the first step to contact your engineer or your architect and make sure that they have the list of components in order to visually inspect that particular list. Once that study is complete, it is transferred to the reserve specialist. At that point, the reserve specialist will formulate the structural integrity reserve study. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you would like a quote or like some more information, you can call 386-677-8886, or you can visit us on the website at expertreserveservices.com.